Okay, hello everyone. Um, this video I will show you how to fix this problem. Yeah. First, you need to log in. EVNG search in art. So in my case, so just give the IP address and port number 22 and message and open. So this will pop up. This one just give a root password UVE. Yeah, after this one, this problem is fixed. So see, this is fixed. I will show you. Yeah, this is my project. So I click here, capture, and port 3. See, no more error. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching my video.